What makes this bike special is the combination of classic design and raw power. This Knucklehead engine delivers unmatched high torque and...
Hello riders, your home for everything on two wheels. From timeless legends to the newest machines shaping the future of motorcycling. Today, we're diving deep into an icon reborn. The 2026 Harley Davidson Knucklehead. A name that defined an entire generation of riders is back, carrying the soul of the past and the technology of tomorrow. Let's uncover how Harley has resurrected one of its most celebrated engines and reimagined it for the modern era. A legend. Returns few names in motorcycling history command as much respect as the Knucklehead. Originally launched in 1936, the Knucklehead engine marked Harley Davidson's leap into modern engineering, introducing overhead valves and setting the foundation for the brand's V-twin legacy. In 2026, Harley Davidson celebrates the 90th anniversary of that original masterpiece with a modern Knucklehead, a motorcycle that blends vintage craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovation. The 2026 model isn't just a tribute, it's a resurrection of attitude, heritage, and American power. Design and style, the 2026 Knucklehead pays homage to its ancestor, while evolving into a machine fit for the 21st century. The bike's retro-inspired silhouette brings back the teardrop fuel tank, spoked wheels, and the classic hardtail look, but with modern materials and engineering precision. Up front, the round LED headlamp captures the old-school aesthetic, but uses adaptive lighting technology that adjusts automatically for cornering and road conditions. The sweeping fenders, exposed metal finishes, and sculpted chrome exhausts scream classic Harley heritage, while subtle modern lines keep it sleek and aerodynamic. Every curve of the 2026 Knucklehead tells a story of how Harley Davidson honors its past without being trapped by it. The heart, a modern Knucklehead engine. At the center of this masterpiece lies the Reborn Knucklehead V-twin engine, a 350cc air and oil-cooled powerhouse, inspired by the 1936 original, but completely re-engineered for modern performance. This engine produces around 95 horsepower and 120 Nm of torque, delivering that signature Harley thump and low-end grunt that riders crave. The engine's external design proudly retains the distinct knuckle-shaped rocker boxes that gave the original its name, while inside it's equipped with modern fuel injection, liquid-assisted cooling, and precision balance shafts to reduce vibration. It's a perfect marriage of nostalgia and new age performance. The sound, the feel, and the spirit of the original Knucklehead, reborn for a new generation of riders. Chassis and handling. The 2026 Knucklehead rides on a reinforced steel frame that mimics the visual of a classic rigid setup, while actually housing a modern monoshock suspension system hidden beneath the seat. This gives the bike that authentic old-school look, without compromising ride comfort or stability. A wide handlebar and a low-slung seat provide the rider with a commanding posture, perfect for long stretches of highway or short, powerful bursts through the city. The weight distribution has been carefully balanced to ensure stability, while modern suspension tuning keeps it agile for a cruiser of its size. Braking and safety. Harley has outfitted the Knucklehead with dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc, all governed by cornering ABS and traction control. This ensures that even when you unleash the torque, you remain in full control. Riders can also choose between different ride modes, classic, tour, and sport, each adjusting throttle response, traction, and suspension dynamics to match your riding style. For the first time ever, the Knucklehead includes Harley's adaptive stability system, giving riders confidence on both open highways and twisting mountain roads. Technology meets tradition. While the 2026 Knucklehead carries vintage DNA, it's fully equipped for the modern age. The dashboard features a retro-inspired digital gauge cluster, blending analog styling with digital precision. It displays everything from speed and RPMs to navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and tire pressure monitoring. There's even a wireless, keyless start, USB-C charging, and optional smartphone integration with Harley's HD Connect app, allowing remote tracking, ride statistics, and security alerts. But despite these updates, Harley has wisely preserved the tactile simplicity that makes a cruiser feel pure. No overwhelming screens, no distractions, just raw riding connection. Riding experience twists the throttle, and the 2026 Knucklehead roars to life with that unmistakable Harley growl, deep, resonant, and full of character. The engine's smooth delivery combined with the balanced chassis creates a riding experience that feels both vintage and modern. On open highways, the bike feels like a time machine, carrying you through the spirit of the past while riding with modern comfort and precision. Around town, the torque-rich V-twin keeps it lively and responsive, reminding you why Harley's cruiser DNA still defines the soul of American motorcycling. Every ride feels personal, emotional, and powerful. Exactly what the Knucklehead was always meant to deliver. Conclusion: the 2026 Harley Davidson Knucklehead isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement of heritage, freedom, and craftsmanship. It bridges the gap between generations of riders, bringing the unmistakable charm of the past into the performance standards of the present. Harley Davidson has managed to do what few brands can: honor history without being trapped by it. The Knucklehead lives again, not as a relic, but as a legend reborn. For those who believe motorcycles should have soul, this machine delivers it in every rev, every rumble, and every mile. Outro: thank you for joining us on Bikesphere. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Harley Davidson Knucklehead, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and the latest updates from the world of two wheels. Until next time, keep the chrome shining, the throttle open, and the legend alive.